right, so we're just testing here.
Totally testing.
So, I mean, we're testing a few things. We're testing how this configuration looks.
Mm-hmm.
We're testing volume. We're testing
Each other.
constantly.
I would like to talk about why we don't have smoke detectors in this room. Didn't you order smoke detectors from Amazon?
I don't want to talk about that.
Because
We're here to focus on Dare to Love Again and what we're doing on Dare to Love Again.
we can't focus on Dare to Love Again if we're annihilated by smoke.
And what do you think the chances of us being annihilated by smoke are in this moment?
46%.
And 46% today, this week,
Overall.
over the next 20 years.
Yeah, 20 years.
Okay, so that's about 50-50.
Yeah.
Okay.
We could improve our odds.
We could definitely improve our odds.
Would you like to do that?
I would love to do that.
Will you order smoke detectors?
I will take care of that. I will put it on the list. It will not be done in the next 3 minutes, I promise you.
Okay. When will it be done? Give me an outside date.
Before I leave for the teachers' conference on the 30th. The 29th.
Okay. Bad things could happen between now and then.
Terrible things could happen. Awful things could happen.
All right. Okay, I'm now ready to talk about our video.
Okay, I'm ready to stop it and see how the visual looks and the audio sounds. So talk to the camera for a moment and just tell the camera something about yourself.
I had a deep longing for a relationship that took me down a particular road of searching for love and not finding it, and throwing myself into relationships and work to avoid the emptiness I felt inside myself, and not finding it, I finally looked inside myself and went on a journey of self-discovery, discovering self-love and acceptance and joy, and ultimately met my old friend in a place of new recognition that led to falling into love and creating an amazing relationship. And our work, my work individually has been so enriched by knowing Andy and loving Andy, and our work together is an outgrowth of our relationship and all the work that we've done individually and together over the years.
And continue to do.
Right now.
Right now.
Do you want to say something?
No, that was a great sound bit. I may be able to use that actually.
Including the first